Hi students, welcome to the Nouns and Adjectives. Today we're going to check the topic of identify the nouns and the adjectives in reading. The first part, we're going to check what is a noun. A noun is a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. As in the example, we can see the person could be a girl, a boy, mom, dad, grandma, Grandpa, Mr. Jones. And a place could be school, home, playground, and zoo. Animal, dog, and bee. Frog, cow, lizard, thing, book, flower, shoe, pencil. Now we're going to check the definition of an adjective. The adjective is one of the parts of the speech that describes some extra information about the noun or a pronoun in a sentence. As you can see, we have some categories of adjectives. We have size, texture, shape, feelings, time. All these words are adjectives and they help to describe better a noun or a pronoun. Now we are going to identify the nouns and the adjectives. We're going to analyze a part or a reading where the water meets the sand by Molly readers. We're going to start. My mother almost drowned me once. My puggy fingers were wrapped around a cherry pie. A blue glass jewel crazed to smoothness by a century of waves. I had spied it resting on a dimple in the sand. We're going to check my mother is a person, so it's a noun. Fingers is a part of the body. It is a noun. Sapphire, it is a flower. Jewel is a thing. And sand, it is a place. And I, it is a pronoun, a noun. We are going to check the adjectives. Pudgy is a characteristic of fingers. And blue glass, it is also an adjective. Now, try to practice. You are going to complete the text using these words. 1. Here is a noun, an adjective, a noun, and an adjective. You're going to choose from these words. Please try, and we are going to check the answers. Now, we are going to check the answer. In my house, it is a place. There was a big, it is an adjective, tree. And my friends, it is a noun. And I saw a beautiful rabbit go under the tree. As you can see, the adjectives describe better or give more information about a noun. Thank you for your attention.